How many times have you had uncomfortable bladder symptoms? From strong urges to rush to the restroom, to uncomfortable bladder leakage or incontinence. If you think these symptoms are uncommon, you're mistaken. From my experience, women and men also have this myth that these symptoms are those that affect just the elderly. In fact, I take care of patients as young as 20s, 30s, 40s, all through the later stages of life. It used to be that Kegels were the only treatment for urinary incontinence or bladder issues. Today, there are many different types of treatments and options that patients can choose from. There are a number of medications and even procedures that we have available to offer our patients. So please, if you feel that bladder symptoms are increasingly bothersome to you, you don't have to just live with it. And I encourage you to reach out to your physician to help you find a provider that can help you.